What was I saying? Oh, I was talking about the stage. I'm different now. I'm a real actress. I enjoy acting. I adore it. I get madly excited on stage. I feel I'm beautiful. And since I've been here, I've been going for walks, walking around and thinking and feeling my morale improving every day. Constantine, I know now. I've come to see that in our work, no matter whether we're actors or we're writers, the great thing isn't fame or glory. It isn't what I used to dream of, but simply stamina. You must know how to bear your cross and have faith. I have faith, and things don't hurt me so much now.